I got the pier to myself. Pretty windy. Tide's pretty low. It's a low incoming. Low tide was about an hour ago. Try to get this corner. Pretty clear night, but it's just windy. It's a Richmond Bridge right there. See, when we was on the boat, on my last two videos, we was just right out here. We was just hitting all this open water. Yeah, this is it. Got 2 poles on my net in case we catch something good. Oh shoot, they actually added a garbage can. That's crazy. I didn't even notice they got 2 now. That's tight. Moving up. There we go. All right, Richmond, there we go. Let's get it. Twerk team fishing, baby. Yay. Okay, so I'm baited up. Got both my poles baited up. This one I got a whole chunk of squid. Just no head on it. It's tied up. 5-ounce weight. And slider rig. This one I got the same setup. This one is a little perch. And I never really tried this before, but I'm gonna try it. It's a little frozen like shiner perch, so don't work. Just throw squid or anchovy on the next cast. If it works, hopefully it does, then that'll be cool. But we're gonna try it. Alright, first cast. Got the glow in the dark beads, slider, squid. Bungee this one. Let's go, baby, low tide. Let's get it. Oh yeah, that rain came with the quickness. Oh yeah, I would definitely say that they were tearing them up. We're gonna switch something else. Fresh bait on there and get it back out. I'll figure out the next one. Matter of fact, I'm about to check the bait on that one too. We're on them. one. Yeah, it's a little ray. I was trying to change my bait for the other pole. This one start going. Team fishing, baby, let's get it. Yee. No skunks on. Shark team fishing, baby, out here. That incoming tide. Trying to beat the rain. Got rained on a little bit. Thugged it out. Only rained about 20 minutes. Shark team fishing, baby, no skunk. I knew it. Just had a rain hit. Let's see if we can get one in the rain. All right, I'm calling it quits, packing it up. This rain is getting too much for me, man. And as much as I would love to stay, I really would if I had like a roof or something to not be getting soaking wet. But even though I was slightly prepared, I ain't ready to stay out and get soaked. But Torque Team Fishing, thanks for watching. Appreciate that. No skunk zone, baby. Always take that. Yep. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Thanks again. Torque Team Fishing. Let's get it. As soon as I do my outro, right when I went to pick up the pole to pack it up, started going. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's why you always pack the poles up last. Torque Team Fishing, baby. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Take that all day. Last second catch. Right when I'm about to pack it up. Literally about to grab the pole to reel it in. It starts going, baby. Beautiful, baby. Beautiful. Baby shark. You know, that's why you always grab the poles last when you're packing up, because you never know. And that was the squid anchovy combo. Shark Team Fishing, baby. Out here. That's what I'm talking about, man. And let's do this quick release because it's raining. And I'm trying to get up out of here. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Shark Team Fishing. Yay! Yay! Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, man. Like I said, appreciate every view, every follower. I love that shit, man. Thank you guys. I appreciate you. Shark Team Fishing, baby. Let's get it.